Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can enable power loss recovery feature in your MKS Robin Nano V3.1 board without using any extra module. So in some videos some people will tell you that you have to use extra module or UPS, power loss UPS for your MKS board to enable power loss recovery feature. But in this video I'm going to show you that you can enable that feature without using any module. So this is the firmware that I am already using in my MKS Robin board. So I will show you some settings for power loss recovery here. So open your Marlin folder in your Visual Studio Code, and in configuration.h file make sure you have serial port selected to -1 and your motherboard is also MKS Robin Nano V3.1. Now I'll just show you the power loss recovery settings. So go to the configuration advanced.h file and press Ctrl F and search for power loss here. So you will directly go to the power loss section here. So in this power loss feature you will have to enable define power loss recovery. After that keep PLR enable default true and disable this line because you don't have extra UPS module. And after that power loss Z-rays keep it 2 mm and select power loss pin -1. So this is the -1 pin that we are using for our serial port. And power loss state high, keep it high so that it will always enable when you will turn on your 3D printer. And after that disable these lines here, power loss pull up and pull down, and enable these lines power loss purge length 20 mm and power loss retract length 10 mm. So when you will resume your printer, so it will purge 20 mm filament and retract 10 mm length. So also if you want to use Z change, then you can enable this feature here and keep it minimum value so that it will not have much effect on your 3D print. So these are the settings that are necessary for your power loss feature if you want to enable without using any extra module. So if you have MKS Robin board and you want to use this feature, go to your Visual Studio Code and enable this feature and thank me later in comment section. So if you have any further question, you can ask me in comment section or you can contact me on WhatsApp. And also you can join my WhatsApp group so that you can interact with each other for your help, and you can also help other people if you have more knowledge than others. And also join my WhatsApp channel for latest updates. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.